Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. In this presentation, we'll be discussing various strategies to effectively use questioning techniques to drive instruction and enhance learning. Let's look at the question of why should educators ask questions in the first place. First off, asking questions is a great way to get students engaged. Asking open questions can lead to fun and engaging classroom discussion. When teachers ask content-related questions, it gives the teacher an idea of where to take the lesson. Should the class move forward to the next topic? Should the teacher do a reteach of the lesson? If educators ask their students the right questions, such as critical thinking questions, students will begin to analyze, create, and evaluate information from the lesson. And most commonly, classroom questions are needed as formative assessments, where teachers may ask their students to rate their understanding of a topic on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 meaning mastery. And next, we'll take a look at how to ask a question. When asking student questions, educators should be cognizant of the degree of cognitive rigor. Think Bloom's taxonomy and Webb's depth of knowledge. Use high-order thinking questions such as evaluation as opposed to simply remembering information. One mistake that teachers make is they don't pause after asking a question. The pause provides wait time necessary for students to process information. Teachers should not answer their own question before the student has a chance. Another strategy is to ask the question to the entire class instead of just one particular student. If a teacher says, "Anthony, what were the causes of World War II?" other students not named Anthony don't have to pay attention anymore because they know the question was not for them. You want all the students to think that they may be called upon. Next, we'll explore the different types of classroom questions. The first type of question we'll look at is a managerial question. Managerial questions include asking leading questions such as, what plants would you find in a desert? Why would you find plants there? The next type of question is a rhetorical question, which are used by teachers to emphasize a point. Rhetorical questions should get students to critically think and globally examine the question. Rhetorical questions often have more than one right answer. Another type of question is an open question. Open questions are used to create discussions. Closed questions, on the other hand, usually receive short one-word answers. They're basically used to check for retention and memory. Now, onto the last section, which are some teacher tips for questioning students. In order to keep students on their toes, randomly select students to answer questions. You can write all their names on cards and then randomly select cards from the deck. Some students are just very shy to speak up in front of the class. In that case, educators should utilize online technology to help encourage participation. Online discussions are now becoming the norm in schools today. It is recommended to follow up original questions asked with probing questions, then challenge the students by following up with an additional challenging question. And lastly, just remember that some students receive more attention than the rest of the class. Be sure to ask as many different students as you can, but also be cognizant of those students with severe anxiety. You may not want to put them on the spot. So right now, I want to say thank you for your time. Check the description don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and please share. And I will see you at the next video.